Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will draw this sketch in 3D in very simplest way. So, if you are beginner, then don't worry. I will explain everything in very easily way. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So, without wasting the time, let's start our drawing. My first step is to change its viewport. So, in left side, you can see the minus symbol. Click there. Then go to viewport configuration list. Select the option 2 vertical like this, then decrease its size, okay, from here and okay, yeah, decrease the size. So this side I will keep this sketch and this side I will draw it. So let's zoom it. Okay, for perfect zoom, type Z, enter, select your object like this, and it will automatically zoomed very perfectly. So this side I will draw it, and these are the basic settings you must on like this. This is dynamic, this is grid, ortho. You can also on the ortho mode, and this is O snap. This is selection. It will give option to select various objects. This is 3D object snap. Okay, it will recognize the vertex, all these things. Let's start. My first step is to draw these two circles that look like eye, human eye. Okay, first C, enter. So diameter is 20, it means radius will be 10. Again C, enter, another circle, that is D, enter, its radius value is 35. Copy this one, see your copy of length 50. 50 given there, the length, the distance between two center of these circles is 50. So that's why I copy up to 50. Now let's draw this upper arc that's radius is 50. So type ARC in your keyboard, arc, select the first point and type E for end. You can also see here, click there and select your endpoint. Now type R to give radius value, and radius value is 50. Okay. Now we have to do all this procedure in reverse direction. E, enter. So the first starting point should be here and ending point should be here. Again ARC, enter, click first point, E, enter for end point, select end point, R, enter, give radius value, that is 50. Yeah, it's done. Trim the extra portion, like we don't need this one and we don't need this. Now draw a line of 87. Okay, from midpoint between these, a line of 87, enter. Now we can see here the breadth of this upper object is 20. So let's draw a line of length 20, enter, move it from the midpoint to this vertex. Now move again up to 45, 4, 5, enter. Okay. Now make another arc of radius 25. You can see here there are two arcs. So I will draw only one arc and another arc will be mirrored. So for that again I am using arc command, ARC, enter. Again select your first point, E, enter to select end point. This one, give radius value, that is 25. Why this happened, man? ARC, enter, click first point, Now end point arc value 25. Yeah, it's perfect. Include it here. Okay. Yeah. Mirror this. MI enter. Now trim the unwanted things, like we don't need this one, this, all these. We don't need this. Okay, so our upper object is ready. Now let's draw the lower object, lower part of this object. For that, you can see here the lower part, the width is given there, that is 5. So let's draw a line of 5. Enter, zoom it, move from midpoint. Now again move up to length is, you can see here 35 length is given there and 45 is total length of the lower portion. So if you minus 35 from 45, then 10 is difference, so we can type 35. The difference from this point to this point is 10. Okay, now I will offset this line of length that is given 5. Okay, so I will copy it. CO enter, copy from this point to, okay, this point. Erase the middle one. Delete, we don't need that. Now join this to line. Enter. Trim this unwanted portion like this. Enter. Okay, so we need this line. Okay, copy 35. We need this line while changing it to 3D. Now trim this middle one. Enter. Okay, I think our 2D sketch is ready. Now I will convert this into 3D by the help of press pull command. So change it like this, zoom it. Okay, here you can see the press pull, or you can also type in your keyboard press pull. Enter. Select your object, select the area from where you want to press pull, and the width of this object is given, that is 20. Okay, you can see here. So 20, right? Oh, here 20, 20, enter, and this one is 5, 5, enter. Okay, let's change it into shaded, this one. Yeah. Now copy this from this, again copy this object to here. See, oh, copy. We know that the width is 20, so if we minus 20 minus 5, then it will turn 15. Enter. Okay. Okay, so our drawing is ready. Let's delete the 2D sketches from this object. 3D solid, move it here. Now delete this all 2D sketch, we don't need anymore, like this. Okay, turn off the grid and change it into realistic, so we can give the color. Let's see how. Yeah, you can also apply 3D solid to rotate it. 3D rotate. Enter, select your object. Enter. Now select the axis, red axis. Okay, our drawing is ready. Now let's give color to it. So let's change its viewport into single. We don't need this sketch anymore because we have already drawn our drawing. Turn off the grid so you can watch it properly. Okay, delete this sketch. Enter. So our object is ready. To give color, type material material in your keyboard. Enter. Loading. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, done. Okay, here Autodesk library. There are multiple criteria. So I will go with metal. Okay, metal. Let's select the color. I will apply. I think golden color look good. Let's see. No. This one. No. What? Whichever you like the color, you can apply there. Let's go with red. Let's see. No. Blue. No. Okay. Okay. Go to metallic paint. Green. Okay. Green. This one. Also, yeah, looking good. Cut it. As you can see that our 3D sketches, 3D drawing is ready in just few minutes. Okay, one thing. If you want to change the background color, then type OP for option. Enter. Okay. Go to color. Go to 3D parallel projection uniform, and from here select white. Apply and close. Okay. Now you can see your object very clearly and in very good way. So this is our drawing. So clearly nice. So thank you so much for watching my video till end, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, thank you so much.